Hello guys, let's look into one of the small lessons that we have here. These lessons need you to have gone through the lessons for primary key and the lessons for setting up a foreign key, because we're about to do what we call views. So how do you set up views? You must make sure that you have got the tables that you want to view. You just come to views, right click, create a new view. Okay, and my case is not working yet, so I'm going to disconnect first from SQL. So if I disconnect, it has frozen already. I'm going to close it forcefully, so I don't approve of this method. Don't try to do this. You might face some serious problems, so let's not do this. So I'm going to open my SQL again. So I do not have an idea why that error message popped up, but if maybe one of you knows why did you have such an error message, you could let us know why did you have that error message. So we're already working on a table called relationships. Relationships, this is it. Expand, and we had our two tables, which is learners and units. So I said you must create a new view. So the view is just to let you see the tables in a different environment. So you will click learners and I will say add. You will also click units. You will also say add. And if they are related, you should see them with some sort of a connection in between. And then you will then start to see that this is, if you were reading it from the other side, let me put it nicely. This will be a one too many kind of situation, because you can only have one unit. A student, a learner here can only appear in one unit, right? But one unit can have as many learners as possible. So this is what we call one too many. Remember how to create views? You come just under your table. We have got an option called views. You right click, you click new views, and then you add the tables that you want to view, right? So just be mindful, some of the tests that you will write, you will only be seeing the views, and you'll be expected to come up with how are those views created, how was the database created, and things like that.